Today's the day I go to the pyramids. Waiting at the hostel right now. People that work here make me breakfast, some coffee. Going to 4 different sites today. Alright, today's the day. I'm going to the pyramids. I set up a tour to my hostel so I didn't get ripped off. Just got breakfast from the hostel. Some cute old woman that makes it. Veggies, beans, bread, coffee. No omelet because I don't eat eggs. So do this, and then it's an all-day tour. So it should be pretty cool. Feels like it's, I don't know, maybe 100, like 105 out here. It's only like 11 in the morning. Didn't take the camel horses up here. I think it's a little messed up. You know, they're just basically just slaves to these people. And they don't really seem like they're treated too well either. Once you get up to the top of this hill, you can see incredible pyramids. Just massive. Also got kind of schemed. Supposed to have a tour guide, and the tour guide they had for me didn't speak English, so that was a complete waste. But I'm here. I saw the Mummy Returns multiple times, every single one, so I feel like I already have a good background for these. Saw Indiana Jones, you know, everything that goes into pretty much all this, so I should be alright. As long as I don't pass out before heat exhaustion kicks in. Inside the pyramid, it's crazy. Super claustrophobic. Little tiny gateway. It's unbelievable.